voices in my head know me, call me. I will be restless. Somehow they chose me. This is my nightlife. Wanna be high life. I feel so reckless, calling them all night.
So we wanted to get some coffee, and that's the place we wanted to get it from. Win. Star meni je vitrek sa zmanjko.
Super zadeva, ja.
Daj ga mnucal, se bom zaradi parpelov po Štišipe prav, prav da še jaz malo vode dobil. Quick update, we have been driving for past half an hour and we still didn't find a petrol station. So, yeah, a very successful day. I think we have one. Please let it be the petrol station. Yeah! We found one! Finally!
It's the freedom I shouldn't have, with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well and still I'm that. It's the only thing that
We just met with a few friends. We have Porsche in the back, stage 3 Golf GTI, me in the Megane, and two more Meganes RS in the front.
I